Good morning and namaste. In this fine time, I am planning to understand the world. World is today totally, united. Verbally united and practically divided. That is called global market today. Today's market is across the globe running. What I say here now, what I am sharing you today in this right moment, it goes across the world by the space. We are totally united. You are my friend and I am your friend. You are my guide and I am your guide. In this way, we are guiding the world. Guiding, riding and piloting the world. Everyone gives the bigger type suggestions for running the world today. In this very fine world today, we exercising many more things and experiencing the ways that we haven't earlier. We can recognize many more things that are practically available in the world. We can understand and feel and practice it. We can prepare, we can practice, and we can go to the perfection of the subject matters. Today when we open media, we find there various types of lectures. Today I am planning to the religious lectures. What is there? Preachers are telling, whenever you read, whenever you see the educated preachers, funny, sages, all are very good things, good persons in the world. They are our source. They are our future. They are our guide. They are our everything. God has appointed them according to the scriptures to guide the world, to guide the universal figures, to guide everyone living in this creature. Many more types of the classical books, scriptural books have been given. Various examples. Walk with Sant, sadhus, sages, funnies, priests, where God lives, they will guide us. It's very good. Very important. But whenever we listen, whenever we read the books, nothing is trouble. Whenever we listen through these social medias or many more lectures given by pundits, what we say, gurus, they always say the very important word, renunciation. Renunciation. Very much beautiful word. But what type of renunciation we are in confusion today? World is divided for the haves and haves not. Renunciation is there going on. But renounce, leave the things, don't attach. In Gita, Bhagavan Sri Krishna has given the pictures of leave the things, use the things. In Veda, Ishavashyam idam sarvam jatkincha jagatam jagat means use the things in the way, maximum not, minimum how much you need. These are very much important ordinance we need to exercise. But leave the things. And after leaving everything, we can leave the earth. Then how the earth will be possible to move? Because we have to, everyone's leaving the universe. It's not possible. We have to live only wealth living. Wealth living is very much danger. Wealth systematically utilizing, not given everywhere. Our scriptures have given this picture, but that is not we meeting. We don't meet the real narration by the people who leading it. And everyone say you donate. Good. Donation has unique power. It is said by Confucius. When wealth is divided, people are brought together When wealth is centralized, people are dispersed. Means to make the world united, it's our duty to distribute. Distribution is a source of collection. You also distribute, and then you can give. God will give you more and more than your expectation. That's correct. But totally living, everyone say that, leave the things. No value of the items. No value of the properties of this earth. Physical world has no value. This type of language we frequently listen by the gurus. That is very much important. But the same person who is saying the same words, sentences, speak, you have to give me some more. The very person gives more, so I can go there and work there. I'm happy they are going, because in that society, in that big temple, in that ceremony, I will be awarded with the heaviest amount. And the society is good. The more you can donate to the people who speak on behalf of this priest, they get more. The program is the great. They everywhere visit and say, oh, very great programs were there. Pompous not only. That was very heavily property based. That was what to say, beyond any imagination the program was. They just evaluate the material world there. How much you can offer, they believe, the priest themselves believe the program is very high. The more you donate, then sages say that the devotee is the best, the dearest devotee. Then how to renounce? How to renounce the world then, if you believe that the more I can give, then only I am the great person. In social media, in Facebook, frequently wherever we see there, we listen with certain types of color of dresses and say that no value of wealth, you leave the wealth. You leave the property. Very easy to say. But in practice, what I found, those who say leave the property, wants more property. What does that mean? The time was there. Rishi and Maharishi were different. The time was there when Rishi and Maharishi didn't expect anything. The language was correct. But today, this world is 100% spiritualism. We have to exercise 100% materialism. Without materialism, I cannot share this. Without materialistic exercise and devices, I cannot share this word to you. This concept among people. That's why what I have to say, what I have to remember, what I must not forget, that wealth is important. But wealth is not everything. Everything is ghost and ghost. Means spiritualism, materialism. Here is the body, parts of the body. Here are almost a physical body. But this is not mobilized. It cannot function without the soul, the spirituality, the God gift. When the God gift stops, I will stop right now to speak. Therefore, in this right understanding is our joint understanding. Even the dedicated devotees, and almost all, to recognize this point that we need, but we need not all. We need everything, but we need our need to change the way how to utilize it. We need to donate. When the world is to be united, wealth to be distributed. When wealth is to be distributed, then we can unite the world. So in this domesticatedly divided world, globally united, verbally united, practically totally divided. Hierarchy people doesn't like to enjoy with the lowerarchy people. Educated, not possible to enjoy with another less type. Skilled, unskilled, semi-skilled have their own rank. In this heavily division, we must try to unite together. So such type of philosophy that globally divided, not domestically divided, globally united, impossible. What is possible? We have to unite. But we have to use the way how much we need. We must collect ajara amara pragya vidyam artham cha chintay. Moral speaks. Great people never to live stuck for earning money and gaining education. Means always go down with the dedication. Honest income. Today's income in many sources very unfair. Very honest, the word is very much popular. Do the honest profession, honest business, honest benefit, honest everything. That is highly necessary because the world is materialistic. The world is materialistically composed, constituted, and we are stationed there. Therefore, it's very much important to know by everyone that leave it. No necessary, no value of materialism is not the fact. Fact is manage materialistic world properly with a spiritualism. There is spiritualism, there is materialism. When there is materialism, when there is spiritualism, means when there is matter, there is God. When there is God, there is matter. So this combination is to manage properly. I believe that our Eastern philosophy will give the biggest necessary suggestions for the world, and we are working the same way. Thank you very much.